Hi friends, how are you today? Are you happy? Yes. Are you okay? Yes. Today I'm going to teach you what is pronoun. Shall we go? Yes. Pronoun is a word used instead of a noun. For an example, Alan is a great educationist. He burned the midnight oil to become the principal. Here in this example, Alan is a noun in the first sentence. If you look at the second sentence, we don't repeat the noun Alan. Rather, we use the word he. He is pronoun here. The word used instead of a noun Alan is pronoun. There are some more pronouns like I, we, you, he, she, it, and they. They are called subjective pronouns. A pronoun is a word which is used instead of a noun. Many kinds of pronouns. Pronouns are of many kinds. Pronouns are classified as follows: personal, I, we, they, you, he, she, it. Reflexive and emphatic: myself, himself, herself, itself, yourself, yourselves, themselves. Demonstrative: this, that, these, those. Indefinite: one, any, anyone, anything, anybody, somebody, all, none. Distributive: each, every, either, neither. Reciprocal: each, other, one another. Relative: who, whose, whom, which, that, what. Interrogative: who, whose, whom, which, what. Personal pronouns. Study the following sentences. I am learning English. We are learning English. You are learning English. You are learning English. He is learning English. They are learning English. Here, I, we, you, he, she, it, and they are called personal pronouns because they stand for the following three persons. First person is the person or persons speaking as I and we. Second person is the person or person spoken to us, you. Third person is the person or persons spoken of as he, she, it, they. It is also used for lifeless things, that is non-personal things, yet it is included among personal pronouns. Thank you. Additional exercises. Basavaya is a Kannada poet. He has written several poems. Many of his poems have been translated into other Indian languages. He himself has translated some of them into English. You must have observed that the words he, his, and himself pronouns refer to Basavaya noun. What do the words in italics in the following paragraphs refer to? Once upon a time, a poor woman was walking from one village to another, carrying a bundle on her head. Unable to lift it easily, she rested every now and then. A horseman passed by. The woman requested him to carry the bundle on horseback till the next village. He refused, saying, "You will walk slowly and delay me, and I have a long way to go." Answers: her, woman; it, bundle; she, woman; him, horseman; he, horseman; me, horseman; and I, horseman.